Hi, I'm John Manley, Director of Operations at Hitek Systems, a long-term Altera partner. Hitek provides a range of Agilex FPGA-based modules in both SOM and PCIe form factors, as well as IP cores including 800 gigabit Ethernet. We're closely aligned with Altera's wireless division, supporting Agilex FPGA-based 5G wireless and SATCOM solutions. Here you can see the demo setup with the latest analog devices, AD9084 Apollo mixed-signal front-end development kit, connected to the Hitek system Agilex ESOM7 platform using the Agilex 7 F-series device. The link between the two is a high-performance JESD204C interface. The Apollo device can support DAC samples rates up to 28 gigasamples per second and ADC rates up to 20 gigasamples per second. This requires up to 24 JESD204C lanes operating at very high data rates. This demo uses Altera's high-performance JESD204C IP with 12 lanes in each direction, all operating at 27.5 gigabits per second for a 300 gigabits per second aggregate bandwidth link from the FPGA to the Apollo and the Apollo back to the FPGA. The Agilex 7 F-Tile has integrated hard IP for networking up to 400G Ethernet, hard IP for PCIe Gen 4, and JESD204C support for up to 16 lanes, allowing for highly optimized front-end processing and transport design. This demo uses Hitek Systems ESOM7 with a 2 F-Tile Agilex 7 device. One of the F-Tiles is dedicated to the JESD link, and the other is dedicated to data communication interfaces. Our ESOM with a 4 F-Tile Agilex 7 device is in development and will plug into the same socket as this Agilex 7 to allow full usage of the Apollo on this same carrier board. Data playback and capture uses the FPGA's internal memory with the option to play out configurable tones in the transmit path. This demo outputs one tone at 8 gigahertz and a second tone at 300 megahertz. They're looped back and the data is captured and displayed in both real-time and frequency spectrum. In addition to this demo, we have a second demo that highlights Hitek's broad range of ESOM solutions. This setup is based on Hitek's Agilex ESOM5C platform, low-power Agilex 5 device, which is the mid-range FPGA offering from Altera. And we're showing the first successful interoperability with the Texas Instruments AFE7769D quad RF transceiver. This demo is outputting a 5G waveform that can be seen on the spectrum analyzer. As can be seen, Hitek's ESOM platforms can be used to support a broad range of RF and 5G transceivers from multiple vendors using JESD204C links. Hitek has also ported the latest Apollo APIs to the Agilex 7 HBS ARM for integrated control and configuration of the system. To learn more, you can visit our website at hiteksys.com. Thank you.
Altera, accelerating innovators.